What's up, I'm Troubleshoot. In this quick guide, I'll be showing you how to build a clan base in Once Human, as in have one of everything for everyone to play with. This can be a little bit confusing, and if you haven't already got parties and a hive sorted out, you'll need to check my video down below explaining how to party up with friends, add friends, etc. Once you have a hive set up with you and your friends, you can hit escape followed by get united, and in here, in the hive section, all you need to do is get your friends on the same hive, then click each of your friends and expand the friend permissions over here. Make sure that access to facilities, building, and storage is on for all of the people that you want to build with you in your new base. Just keep in mind this will give them access to everything, manage, demolish, etc. So they could technically grief you, but as long as they're your proper friends, for example, it should be fine to build a clan base with them and all manage everything from one location instead of having 3 of everything. It's pretty simple. It's a bit of a mission, especially if you have a lot of people in your hive, but anyways, that's how to set up a clan base in Once Human. Thank you all for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.